What's up YouTube, Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. As you can see, we're going to be doing multiple unboxing. We have a triple unboxing once again, and this time it consists of pretty hype sneakers. So let's go! Before we continue with this video, let me greet you all a Happy New Year. I hope you had a blast, and I also hope that you will have a wonderful 2020. So to end this year with a bang, we're gonna be doing a triple unboxing of these three sneakers. Some of you probably know what are these sneakers, but anyway, I'll be showing to you one by one. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so, and please click the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever we release a video. We do release videos every single day, and sometimes we even do 2, 3, 4 videos in one day. In fact, this day, December 31, we are going to be releasing 4 videos. This is the 3rd video, and we will be releasing one more in a bit. Apart from doing unboxings, we also do very detailed review, and we also do Tagalog versions of our store visits, outlet visits, and sneaker hunting. So enough of the talking. I'm sure you're very excited to see what are inside this box. So let's start off with this one first. So this is a black Nike box with a lot of icons, or how should I say, a lot of printing on it. So as you can see, this is the box. So this sneakers is actually an Air Force 1, and it's a collaboration with Clot. So I think you guys know already what I'm talking about. So let's open this. So inside you have this cloth tissue paper in white, and let me get the sneakers. Boom! So yeah, so this is the Air Force 1 collaboration with Clot. So probably you know what's the deal with these sneakers. This is actually a sneakers that you can peel off or scratch off or take out the outer layer, and it will reveal another layer inside. I'm still thinking if I should do that. However, I like it how it is right now, and I'm gonna probably enjoy this first before I take off the materials on top, because I mean, with this colorway, it's already pretty good. So let's check out the other one. Okay, let me just close this first. So this is the other pair. So it comes with this extra laces in gray. Boom! So here is your Nike Air Force 1 collaboration with Clot. This is the blue colorway. What I like about these is the gum outsole, so it gives a little bit of contrast in colors. So yeah, I'm really excited to wear this, and I will probably wear this later during the New Year's Eve mass. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm not gonna, as mentioned, I'm not gonna peel off the silk outer layer of these sneakers. So yeah, this is it. This is the Air Force 1 Clot, the blue colorway, or the blue silk colorway. Now let's open the middle part. So this is a silver or metallic or aluminum color box with a big swoosh in the middle. And with all the holes around the sneakers, you probably know what sneakers are these. These are the Off-White SB Dunks, or Off-White Dunks. Yeah, Nike Dunk Low Off-White. So as you can see, inside you have your typical Off-White tissue paper in yellow with all the brandings. Then actually it has 2 tissue papers, one in yellow and then the other one in white. So let's get the other pair. So what I have here, boom, is the Nike Dunk Off-White collaboration in the Michigan colorway. Yep, so I've been actually dreaming about this shoe forever. Since I saw this, I wanted to have a pair of these, and finally I have them. As you can see, you have your typical off-white vibe with all this extra laces on the outer part of the sneakers, with this wax laces. So yeah, I'll be doing a very detailed review on these sneakers soon. But now I'm thinking if I should be wearing these tonight or this one, because I think this one would suit the new year. So yeah, I love this colorway. So this was released, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 20th of 20th of December, and it released in 3 colorways. This one, the gray and red, and the green and white, and this is the colorway I like the most. That's why I bought them. So let's check out the other pair. So here you have your typical off-white zip tag. Wow, I can't wait to wear these. These are really nice. A happy new year for me for getting a pair of this one. So yeah, this is the Nike Dunk Off-White. So now we still have one more sneaker over here. And as you can see, it has the same color. The box has the same color as this one. So I'm not sure if you're familiar with this, but this is actually another Air Force One collaboration with Clot. But this time, they also collaborated with Fragments. So this is actually the black pair of this one. So let's open the box. Normal tissue paper of Clot. Let me take out both sneakers first. Get it out of the way. Okay. Boom. So this is the black version of the Air Force One Clot, this time with the Fragments. Yep. And the other pair, it has extra laces as well. This one has red extra laces. This is the extra laces. So yeah guys, this is it. These are the 3 new pickups. Actually guys, I was planning to do a very like the mother of all unboxings. However, some of my shipments got delayed and got stuck in customs. So they will only arrive, I think, on the 2nd of January, unfortunately. But anyway, those are still enough to do a really major unboxing. And I'll give you a hint, those are all Yeezys. So yeah, this one is the black Air Force One. This is the Nike Off-White Dunks, and this is the blue Air Force One with Clot. So both these sneakers can actually tear off the outer layer or this silk material on the top, and it will reveal another layer of material inside. I think it's leather inside. I'm not really sure. I only saw on videos or photos, but I haven't really looked into it. So yeah, as of this moment, I don't have any plans of tearing both of these off. I'm gonna wear them as it is, and then probably later on, once I got used to them, I will probably tear it off. And as for my off-whites, this one will definitely go to my feet. Probably I've decided I'm gonna wear this tonight, and I'll probably leave the hang tag. What do you think, guys? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this hype unboxing. Unfortunately, I can only unbox 3 because I'm keeping the others to do a more massive unboxing later on once my other sneakers arrive. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.